Yeah. So this is Black Light. We're talking about how we forever paying into the advancement of those that y'all call Illuminati. You see, things are in layers, right? Even though he's stealing from his own people, they still above us, the darker people. And he got among the darker people those that are, are in his favor, that he gives a little more credit to, or not credit, but privileges to. But the black man in America uh, is the one that's keeping him afloat, because we are consumer-minded people. We don't know how to pull our resources together. We don't know how to stick together to not depend on the Caucasian or the Illuminati, however you want to say it. So the Illuminati prints up these dollars, fiat currency, and he's giving it to us, you know, but we got to earn it with some more sweat or brain power or something. You know, if we invent something, we take it to his patenting office, and once he give us a patenting number, he's issuing you permission, but it's the patented number is in his house where he store patents, where he store inventions. Same with music, BMI. Same with movies. You got to register all your inventions or all your creativity to the copyright office. And once you got to renew every so often. You got to renew your patent or your copyright. And if you don't, after so long, it goes up for the public, and anybody could claim. It goes up to the public, and anybody could claim it. Yeah. And then if anybody could claim it, they'll get. Your family might not get no benefits from that. Your offsprings and future generations might not get nothing from that, but a total stranger might get it, because he checks the copyright registration, see who didn't registrate, and then he takes over and gets rich off of your inventions, gets rich off of your music, creative work, whatever it is. So he got money coming in all the time, constantly, from every different kind of angle, because only thing we do is consume. And if you like Jay-Z and Beyonce, well, he got cars that cost $1 million that you're gonna want, because you now in that status, you're now in that price range. So we're gonna shut this one down and come back a little later with another one. Black Light.